So for today's BNI presentation, we'll do the anatomy of a pressure washing truck. Right here, this is our big expensive proportioning system. This allows us to meter exactly which percentage we need. So we always put water would go all the way down so it's fully on. We open up our bleach all the way. So we can dial it from 12.5% all the way down to 1.5, which is typically like a house wash. Deck might be a 2. Roof wash, you're typically in the 3 to 5% range. And then we just bump our soap up to whatever the soap needs to be. But this allows us to change it from a house wash mix to a roof mix. We've got our big soap tank, and then here, granted, we've got a gun that needs to be pushed up back up. But we've got different size wands. We've got our little mini wand right here. We've got this big thing called a turbo nozzle. This is a dual turbo nozzle. These things are designed to put max pressure and basically ripping stuff from surfaces. Down here we got our ball valves. This is what we put on the end of the hose. It allows us to shut the flow of water off and switch between guns and stuff. We have our soap reel, water hose reel, soap reel with about 250 feet of hose. That's got like 300 feet of garden hose. We set it up so that you can dual feed there and there. We put our pressure washer guns. We've got a 12-volt pump. This allows us to spray direct application, basically put our chemicals directly onto the surface. 2 pressure washer reels. Our hose reels are 2 8-gallon a minute 3,500 psi pressure washers. We've got our A-frame ladder, surface cleaner. This is what spins around to clean all the concrete. Got our onboard fuel cell. Backup fuel pump, our caution sign. These things are called ladder maxes or stabilizers. They go on top of ladders. So you can see right now we've actually got our 40 foot, which is just for this commercial project, 24 and 32. Bunch of different chemicals. We got Red Raider right here, or BD200. Red Raider is a light duty degreaser. BD200 is a heavy duty degreaser. This is our Rust Remover Plus. Labels are on the other side. This is a gas can in case you didn't know. Cooler, so we can have some extra beverages on there. We keep these containers of downspout bags. So when we do a roof wash, we put this to either collect the runoff, or you can see some extras over there, or to be able to redirect it. Got other chemicals in here. That's actually probably our BD200. Oxalic acid, some sidewalk cleaner, this stuff called CTAR melt. You can see it melted the label on there. Soft bristle brush. We also have this apparatus, which is called an X-Jet. It enables us to be able to apply chemicals directly from the end of the gun. And basically, if all else fails, we X-Jet, and if the X-Jet's failed, go home, have a beer, you're done. We have our big bleach tank, big water tank. We have this set up so that we can fill our water tank really fast. Typically carry our like 5-foot wand in there. We got like a little hand wash, eye wash station right there, and then we also have, as far as for our bleach, where you can just connect right to this to be able to fill bleach without having to get up on the truck. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And then we also have this thing right here called a sludge sucker. This thing will actually be able to shoot water up through here, and then it actually creates a vortex or suction, push through there. Other thing we've got in this container, which we don't have any in it right now, that's empty, so it's gonna be dealt with, is typically gypsum pellets, which we use to neutralize the bleach.